Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 33 of English Speaking Challenge, and today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is manifestation. I think that whoever is watching my video will know about manifestation and have heard about it definitely, if not knowing about that. Why I am saying this confidently? Because I have seen when I open YouTube or when I open Instagram or Facebook, I see that plenty of videos come on the basis of manifestation. Manifestation is going popular day by day. It is going famous day by day. But do you know when it came to exist? Means when was it popular? When 2006, when in 2006 the secret book was released, then manifestation word came into existence. Then people understand that how to do manifestation. The people who used to read the secret book, they understand how to do manifestation. Many billionaires and millionaires, they use manifestation to achieve their goal. So how to do manifestation? So to do manifestation, first you have to keep your mind positive. Apart from that, you have to pay gratitude to Almighty God, to your relatives, to your friends, and you have to start journaling. And if you second step in manifestation is to visualize in your mind what you want to achieve. Suppose I want to become a bank PO. For that, what should I visualize? I should visualize daily in my mind, yes, I can become bank PO, and I imagine myself. I have to imagine also. I have to imagine that yes, I am sitting in a bank in a chamber and all people are praising me, all relatives are happy about my success. So these things with this visualization will help the goal to manifest faster. So it is said that if one should achieve a something goal, he should manifest, and he should always visualize that goal. Then manifestation works. And if I will achieve success, then I can say yes, manifestation works. So first step is to pay gratitude. Second is visualization and imagination. Our mind play a major role in manifestation. So for example, I am telling you a story. One boy went under the tree and he desired for that I should have a food. He got food. He desired that is there any ghost living on the tree? And yes, ghost came there, and he would desire that now the ghost will murder, and the ghost murder him. So the main our mind is just like that tree. Whatever we say, whatever we think, our mind does not take it as a joke. Our subconscious mind works all time, whether we are sleeping, whether we are running, whether we are dancing, or it doesn't matter. Our conscious mind is voluntarily, but our subconscious mind works all time. So it doesn't take your thoughts joke. So always think positive. When you will think positive, your subconscious mind will work on that. And when suddenly you think negative thought, like that man who was under the tree, your subconscious mind will not take it as a joke. And I have read the Power of Subconscious Mind book, and in that it is completely stated that whatever you have to think positive. Not even think a single little thing in negative way, because your subconscious will not take it as a joke. So this was all about my today's video, how to do manifestation and what is manifestation. And today lots of people are making video on manifestation, and if you will not work, then manifestation will not work. You have to do your work also, you have to do your duty also, apart from your visualization and apart from your imagination. Then only manifestation will work, because a tiger cannot eat flesh without going too near to the flesh. So we should understand that manifestation will work only and only if we work hard, if we work smart, if we visualize, if we meditate, and if we pay gratitude to Almighty. So, and there is a good theory also, fruit theory, that fruit is grown by someone else. Fruit is grown by someone else, and fruit is eaten by someone else. So that little fruit know where its destination is. So same as your desire will come to you. Your desire will come to you when time will come. So I think that you all are liking my video, so I will conclude that if you want to manifest, first thing is to pay gratitude, then visualize, then imagination, you do imagine, and second thing is be patient in your heart, because I have tell you the fruit theory. So what is your desire, it will come to you by itself at proper time. So be patient, be happy. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.